All right, so Panini 1 football box number 2 coming at you guys. Check your teams on the right. Check while I go grab our box. Now is the time for trades. Doesn't want to do that.
Season, 37 assists, just 9 turnovers. That's about a 6-to-1 ratio, which is outstanding. 33 to 20. Denver leads at first quarter. Brady with us on altitude, 9 news. Far inside, you'll be focusing on the sophomore split out of bounds. And timeout call. The 2:46 remaining first quarter. The Nuggets have scuttled their way to a 13-point lead.
Soft on the inside.
One sandwich that says, this guy appreciates wild-caught Alaskan fish. And a second that says, this guy would like another sandwich. 2 for $6.99. Arby's, we have the meat.
All right, good luck. So do for 1 of 1. Little timeless 6. Oh. Good luck, everybody. What we got there? Dolphin, Tyreek. Ooh, Tyreek Hill, very nice. So presenting. Nice hit for the Fins. Miami, Grandma Brooks. I think a little cheetah ink. That's sharp. So one of the best cards we've hit so far. 22/49. Cheetah. Nice hit, Jordan. Box 3 is up. The 1, box number 2. Thanks for jumping in, everybody.